So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram photos that you keep uploading on Instagram, maybe the photos themselves are bad quality, or maybe you're going through and uploading them, but maybe they're just not of good quality in general. So number one, the very big thing you're going to have to kind of think about is that the photos you post on Instagram are going to be tied to the photos you take on your camera app. So if you're taking a bad photo on your Photos application, it might be bad when you upload it. So make sure that's not the case. Go through, make sure you're taking a good photo or a good quality photo. As long as that's the case, then you should be good to go. Now, the other thing, you might want to also enable a specific feature inside of your Instagram application, which will allow basically high quality uploads. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over into your profile icon in the very bottom right. You then want to go through and click on the top right up here, so these three lines up here to get into your menu, and you want to find your data usage option. So there should be something that says like data usage if you can't find it. So right here they moved it, but right here for media quality, so under your app and media, there's an option called media quality. Click on it, and there should be this option where it says upload at highest quality. All you want to do is you want to make sure this particular option is enabled, because what's going to happen here is that it's going to go through and it's going to start uploading your photos at the highest quality that's available. So it'll always upload the highest quality photos and videos no matter what, even if it takes a longer time or if your network condition's not good, it will still upload at a higher quality. So make sure that's set, that way your particular Instagram account will upload those photos. Now if that's not working, you might also want to just update your Instagram application. So make your way over into your App Store or your Google Play Store. Click on the update button at the very top and you can search for the application, and that should end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are a couple of different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.